Ever wondered why some people rarely get sick, while others seem to catch every bug that's going around? This conundrum takes us on a journey into the fascinating world of our immune system. It's our body's personal defense system, working round the clock to keep us healthy. But not all immune systems are created equal. Some are like impenetrable fortresses, others more like leaky sieves. The difference? The strength of our immune system. The key to this mystery lies in the strength of our immune system. The immune system is our body's defense mechanism against harmful invaders. Imagine it as an intricate network of cells, tissues, and organs, all working together to keep us safe from bacteria, viruses, and other microscopic marauders. It's like having a personal army, always on guard, ready to protect us from any potential threats to our health. At the heart of this army are white blood cells, our body's first line of defense. These brave little soldiers patrol our bloodstream, seeking out and destroying any foreign invaders they encounter. They come in two types: phagocytes, which gobble up invading organisms, and lymphocytes, which remember past invaders and help the body recognize and destroy them if they return. Then we have the antibodies, the immune system's secret weapon. These are specialized proteins that latch onto specific invaders, marking them for destruction. Think of them as the wanted posters of the immune system, helping to identify the bad guys so our white blood cell army can take them down. And let's not forget the lymphatic system, a network of tissues and organs that help rid the body of toxins, waste, and other unwanted materials. It's like our body's sewer system, flushing away the debris left behind after an immune response. But the immune system isn't just about defense. It also plays a crucial role in healing and recovery. When we get injured, it's the immune system that rushes to the scene, repairing damaged tissues and promoting healing. It's like our body's maintenance crew, always ready to patch up any leaks and keep us running smoothly. So why is it so important to maintain a healthy immune system? Well, think about what happens when our defenses are down. We become more susceptible to infections, diseases, and other health issues. It's like leaving the door wide open for any potential threats to waltz right in. In short, a robust immune system is the cornerstone of good health. It's our body's shield, sword, and healer all rolled into one. Without it, we'd be at the mercy of every germ, virus, and bacteria that comes our way. A robust immune system is essential for maintaining our health, and that's why it's so crucial to keep it in tip-top shape. The good news is, there are natural ways to boost your immune system. So let's dive straight into them. First, regular exercise. It's no secret that physical activity contributes to overall health, but did you know it can also boost your immune system? Regular, moderate exercise like walking, swimming, or cycling can help your immune cells circulate more rapidly, making them better at fighting off infections. Next, let's talk about sleep. It's during those precious hours of shut-eye that your body repairs and regenerates itself. Lack of sleep can lead to a weakened immune system, making us more susceptible to illnesses. So, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. And remember, it's not just about quantity, but also quality. Stress management is another key factor. When we're stressed, our body produces cortisol, a hormone that can suppress the immune system. Techniques like mindfulness, yoga, and deep breathing exercises can help manage stress levels, keeping our immune system in top shape. Now let's address the cornerstone of a strong immune system: a balanced diet. Eating a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can provide your body with the nutrients it needs to maintain a strong immune system. Foods rich in vitamin C, like citrus fruits, and those high in zinc, like nuts and seeds, are particularly beneficial. And let's not forget hydration. Water plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health, including the immune system. It aids in the production of lymph, a fluid that circulates white blood cells and nutrients to your body's tissues. Lastly, but equally important, is maintaining a healthy weight. Obesity can lead to a weakened immune system, so strive to keep your weight within a healthy range. These methods are not only effective, but also easy to incorporate into our daily lives. It's about making small, sustainable changes for a healthier, stronger you. The food we eat plays a critical role in boosting our immune system. The right balance of nutrients can help fortify our body's defenses, keeping us in top shape to fight off diseases. So let's dive into some immune-boosting foods that are not only delicious, but also pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. First, let's talk about fruits and vegetables. They're nature's multivitamin and are brimming with the vitamins and antioxidants our bodies need. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are high in vitamin C, a well-known immune booster. Berries, too, are antioxidant powerhouses. Green leafy vegetables like spinach and kale offer a wealth of vitamins including A, C, and E. They also have a high fiber content, which aids digestion and helps the body absorb nutrients more effectively. Broccoli is another superfood. It's packed with vitamin C, A, and E, and also contains a good amount of fiber. Now let's move on to lean meats and fish. They're rich in protein, which is essential for immune health. Chicken, for example, is not only a great source of protein, but also packed with vitamin B6 that plays a vital role in many chemical reactions in the body, including the immune system. Fish like salmon and tuna are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to boost immune function. Next up, nuts and seeds. Almonds, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, they're all bursting with essential vitamins and minerals. Almonds, for example, are high in vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant in your body and can help fight off infection. And let's not forget the importance of hydration. Water helps in the production of lymph, which carries white blood cells and other immune system cells. So make sure you're drinking plenty of fluids throughout the day. Incorporating these immune-boosting foods into your diet can give your body the fuel it needs to function optimally. And remember, it's not about a single meal or even a single day of healthy eating, but a consistent, balanced diet. Remember, a healthy diet equals a strong immune system. Ready to take your immune system to the next level? Try our 7-Day Immune Boost Challenge. This is a comprehensive plan designed to supercharge your immune system naturally. With daily goals and helpful tips, you'll be well on your way to a stronger, more resilient you. Day 1 is all about hydration. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. Hydration is key in flushing out toxins and supporting overall bodily functions, including your immune system. On day 2, focus on incorporating immune-boosting foods into your diet. These include citrus fruits, garlic, spinach, and almonds. These foods are packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants that help to strengthen your immune system. Day 3 is for exercise. Physical activity can boost your immune system by promoting good circulation, which allows your immune cells to move through your body more freely and do their job more effectively. Day 4, get some sunshine. Vitamin D is a vital component for a healthy immune system, and the best way to get it is by exposing your skin to sunlight. Aim for at least 20 minutes of sunlight exposure. On day 5, prioritize sleep. Lack of sleep can negatively impact your immune system. Make sure you're getting at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Day 6, practice stress management. Chronic stress can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to illness. Find a stress-reducing activity you enjoy, such as yoga, meditation, or reading. Day 7, avoid harmful habits. This includes smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and high sugar intake. These can all compromise your immune system, making it harder for your body to fight off illness. Each day builds on the last, creating a comprehensive approach to boosting your immune system. Remember, small daily changes can make a big difference in your overall health. And don't forget, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. By the end of the week, you'll feel stronger, healthier, and more resilient. Here's to a boosted immune system and a healthier you. Boosting your immune system naturally is easier than you think. We've taken a deep dive into the intricate workings of our immune system, explained how it tirelessly defends our bodies every single day. We've also covered the natural ways to give it a boost, from staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, to keeping stress in check. Never underestimate the power of these simple, everyday habits in strengthening your immunity. We've also explored the magic of immune-boosting foods. Who knew that your kitchen could be a treasure trove of natural immune boosters? Garlic, ginger, citrus fruits, and so many other foods. They're not just delicious, they're your allies in health. And finally, we presented the 7-Day Immune Boost Challenge, a practical, doable plan to augment your immune system's strength. A week of focused care and attention to your body can make a world of difference. So why not give it a shot? Remember, a strong immune system is not just about warding off colds and flu. It's about empowering your body to fight off more serious threats. It's about living your best, healthiest life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up Share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and advice. We'd love to hear your experiences with boosting your immune system in the comments below.